Good morning, Honor Chem students. Mrs. Snyder here. Just wanted to give you an update on the learning for today. Again, another pretty standard day as far as going through the items that are in your daily folder. I did want to talk to you guys a bit about the Gizmo lab. I have most of the labs in, and you should see your score on the lab. There are a few of you yet who have to do that lab, so please make sure that you get that into me as soon as possible, or let me know why you can't get that in. And that's just standard practice. The things are due on the day that I think that they should be due, that I have listed. And if there is a reason why you didn't get that in, you please let me know. But in terms of the Gizmo lab here, that I just wanted to kind of post with you guys very quickly, is that something interesting happens that I noticed with just a few of you guys when you were doing this lab. You were noticing that temperature is the same as heat, and I don't want you guys to think that, because temperature and heat are different. And so for number 7 here, when it said calculate the heat gained by the water in the cup, that means when you're asked to calculate heat, you are calculating Q. Q is not temperature. Q means heat. And so what you would use is the mass times the specific heat of water times the delta T of the water that you got here. Okay, once you calculated that Q, you are understanding that there's 100% heat transfer. So again, heat should be here, not a temperature reading. So once you've calculated the Q here, you should have then said whatever Q the water gained came from the Q that the copper lost. Okay, so both of these should be heat values, and they should have a unit of joules. Then what you were doing is now you're using your MCAT again. You know the Q of your metal, because you know how much heat from up here the metal lost. You know the mass of the metal, and you know the delta T for the metal, and you could solve for the specific heat. So that was a little common on this lab, so I wanted to make sure that you guys understood that, okay? If you have any specific questions about the lab, please make sure that you contact me and let me know, and I can give you a reason why you were scored the way you were scored. Also, you should note that I put in comments in your document, so you will notice that there's a comment, and then you can surmise why you had missed some points based on that comment, or there is usually comments at the bottom here as well, so you can understand what has happened with the lab. Okay. Also, I just want to let you know that I scored and will put into Campus the homework quiz. I'm having a few of you guys missing that last night. So if you are in that boat where you did not complete the homework quiz, you do have to send me an email with a screenshot of that being complete. So that's the plan. If you have any questions about your lab, please contact me. We can do a Google Meet and go over your lab together. It's a good thing to understand that heat transfer, so please make sure that you have that rectified. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Talk to you guys later.